In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up and install the Microsoft Teams app. Whether you're looking to connect with colleagues, classmates, or simply stay in touch with friends and family, Microsoft Teams offers a comprehensive platform that's both intuitive and efficient. Let's walk through this process together to get you set up and communicating in no time. First, you'll want to head over to the Microsoft Teams website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in Microsoft Teams, or follow the links provided on reputable sources to ensure you're in the right place. Once there, you'll find an option on the page to download now. Click on that and the site will guide you through downloading Microsoft Teams to your device. It's important to ensure you have enough space on your device and that it's compatible with the Teams app specifications. As the download progresses, which typically appears as a file named msteamsetup.exe, you want to keep track of where the file is saving on your computer. Once the download is complete, locate this file, whether it's in your Downloads folder or wherever your browser is set to save files. Double-click on the file to run it, and this will start the installation process. During installation, you may encounter prompts that are pretty standard for software installs, like agreeing to the terms and conditions or choosing an installation location. Follow these installer prompts carefully. Once you've completed these steps, the installer will set up Microsoft Teams on your computer, and you'll be able to open the app. Remember to wait patiently through this step, as installation times can vary depending on your system's speed. While the setup is running, it's a great opportunity to go ahead and sign up for a Microsoft Teams account. In your web browser, navigate to the Microsoft Teams sign up page, click on Sign In, and then on Create One to open a new account. You'll follow a series of straightforward prompts that will guide you through the account creation process. You might be asked to verify your email or phone number, so have those ready. At this point, it's important to know which type of account you need, whether it's for work or school provided by an organization or for personal use. If it's for your personal use, select that option so you can connect with friends or family. Selecting the right account type ensures you have access to the correct features tailored to your needs. By the end of this process, you'll have both the Microsoft Teams app installed and your account ready to use. The setup is designed to be user-friendly, but these steps will hopefully guide you to overcome any confusion. And there you have it, you're all set to start exploring what Microsoft Teams has to offer and begin connecting with others in a seamless way. Enjoy!